welcome to my channel Zorro, and today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the new stylus. This is a MEKO universal stylus pen with a disc tip. A disc tip is 100% screen damagement free and it is capable on all kind of touch screens. Comes in 7 colors: black and black, black and silver, black and blue, black and purple, black and pink, and black and gold. Now I have a black and black. Bought came with 2 stylus pens, 4 replaceable disc tips and 2 rubber tips. As you see, it's really easy to draw. Let's also try the back rubber tip. It's also good, but I would recommend the disc tip. The disc tip stylus is a 9 out of 10 recommended from me. The thing I don't really like is that the discs can get spoiled, but it's alright as we have spare discs. I like everything else. The link is in the bio, and stay safe. Bye!